Hello, I'm David from Bond Photography and welcome to my collector's table where I'll be looking at various collectibles that I own. To celebrate 90 years of Lego, I thought I would film some of my collection. In this episode I am looking at the Lego Biplane Kit 613 from 1974. Like the rest in the Legoland series, it was in a simple box with just an instruction leaflet. Although the leaflet was double-sided, the instructions were on one side only and consisted of just 6 stages. The kit only consisted of 15 parts, so it was very simple to build. I did like the use of the tile for the towel fin. If you enjoyed this, why not watch the previous episodes? And don't forget to subscribe as new content is put up weekly.